The Bachelor of Business Administration in Culinary Industry Management has been jointly developed by Le Cordon Bleu and Birkbeck University of London. This new degree focuses on providing students with a solid foundation in culinary skills and associated product knowledge, a global perspective of the food industry, and an ability to assess the evolving needs of the marketplace.
I chose the program here at Birkbeck and Le Cordon Bleu because I wanted to pursue my passion for cooking and hospitality. So I did some research within the United States and in Europe, and this program caught my eye as it seemed very innovative.
I chose this program because it's something new that came up last year, something I've never seen. And I've got passion about food and about management as well. So I always had this passion about cooking and things like that. So this program mixes the bit from management and also the bit from cooking, how to run a kitchen, how to follow the procedures, how to cook like a nice dish and present it to the customers.
At Birkbeck, it's a lot of students all the time coming and going, large lecture halls. You have a lot of autonomy. Basically, you're more or less on your own. So even though there are always a lot of people there, you're alone most of the time. At Le Cordon Bleu, it's a much more intimate class setting. You get to know your instructors and your classmates on a more personal level, and you work in a team. So I'm getting the experience of working in a team, but also being able to work alone and to manage and to time manage.
I enjoy the most of this course is the cooking side because I love cooking. Every time I come, it's like I feel like the energy from the chef from the school. It's amazing. I love it, and we've got the demo, and we have to cook the same thing that the chef just cooked. So that's what I loved. That's what I love the most.
Links with industry employers mean that the degree includes a work placement opportunity, so you will get real-life experience to support the knowledge you are gaining in the classroom and the chance to apply the skills you've learned. It also enables students to study a range of business and management modules, including marketing, accounting, project management and entrepreneurship, so that by the time you graduate, you'll be equipped to enter a career in the food industry with a solid foundation in both food and business. Both institutions have fantastic locations in Bloomsbury, at the heart of the University of London, and you'll be taught by internationally established culinary industry professionals in Le Cordon Bleu's state-of-the-art kitchens and renowned academics in business and management at Birkbeck.
Studying here feels like if I was studying at any other university, to be honest. It's a college campus. There's students of all ages, all races. It's very diverse, which I'm used to. So I would say that hearing all these different languages, though, is something that I'm not used to, where I could be in a supermarket or on the train and it's just, you just have no idea where the person is, that's next to you. And in America, you don't really hear that so much. I am enjoying studying here. I've finally really felt like this is home now.
I'm so happy with this program. I mean, it's like, I don't know, every time I go to the lectures in the evening, because obviously I work full time during the day, it's like, oh my God, I'm gonna go, I smash it. I'm gonna do as much as I can, obviously because it's hard, because I work full time, but I love it. I will, definitely, 200%.